Hello students, I'm Falguni Panchal, your EVS teacher. Welcomes to you in EVS class. Today we will learn about our neighborhood and helpers. Be ready. Listen, our neighborhood and helpers. Look at the picture of Sana's neighborhood. You can see here this Sana. Okay, and this is her neighborhood. Now Sana wants to go to the park. You can see here this park. In park there is swing, slides. She wants to go to play there. Now here you have to show the way. You have to show way to her to reach to the park. Okay, so with the pencil you have to draw the line and show her the path to reach the park. See, she reached to the park. This is park area. Okay, now let's start lesson. People who live near our house are our neighbors. जो हमारे पास जो रहते हैं हमारे घर के पास उसको हम neighbors कहते हैं. Neighbors help each other and make good friends. Our neighbors are our good friends. Good neighbors never fight with one another. एक दूसरे के साथ कभी लड़ाई नहीं करते. Children living in a neighborhood play together. Children who are living in neighborhood, they play together. Now let's see what makes a good neighborhood. The area around our house forms our neighborhood. एरिया अराउंड आवर हाउस, हम जहाँ रहते हैं उसके आसपास का जो एरिया है दैट फॉर्म्स आवर neighborhood. There are many important places found in our neighborhood. A good neighborhood will have most of these places. You can see here downside we have useful places in our neighborhood. Let's look at some of them. You can see this police station, then this market, this park, this bank, school, post office, hospital, etc. These are the places in our neighborhood. People living in the neighborhood need some services. People living in the neighborhood need some services. A neighborhood can have a school, market, park, hospital and a police station. Let's learn about some of these places. Market. You can see here this market. We buy rice, milk, vegetables, fruits and many other things for everyday use. We get different things from different shops. Several shops together make a market. These shops together make a market. In that shops you can purchase rice, milk, vegetables, fruits and many other things. Next, school. Children of a neighborhood need to go to school to study. They learn many new things in school. They learn to read, write, sing, dance and play. They also learn good manners in school. Who learns? Children. Hospital. Most neighborhoods have a hospital or a clinic. We go there when we are sick. जब हम बीमार होते हैं we visit to hospital or clinic. There are doctors and nurses in the hospital or clinic. Who works in the hospital? Doctors and nurse. The doctor examines and treats the sick people. Who examine to the sick people? Doctor. Doctor examines the tree and treat also to the sick people. Next, park. A neighborhood has a park. Children go to the park in the evening and play. Children likes to play in the park. Yes. Yeah, all the children, most of the children like to play in the park. Elders also go to the park to walk, run and relax. You can see here on this bench, these elder people relax and like to see children playing in the park. Here this man, he is walking in the park. Police station. There can be a police station in the neighborhood. The police keep our neighborhood safe. The police keep our neighborhood safe. They help us when we are in trouble. When any people are in trouble, this policeman help to them. They help us to find the lost things and to catch thieves. हमारी कोई चीज गुम गई है, at that time policeman helps to find that things and catch thieves. Post office. We find a post office in the neighborhood. You can see here. Dakkhana. In Hindi it is called Dakkhana. This is post box or letter box. Okay. We buy stamps, postcard and envelopes there. Where? In post office. There is a letter box in the post office. You can see this letter box in the post office. We post our letters there. The postman comes to deliver letters to our house. Postman works in the post office and he delivers our letters. Now, fire station. This is fire station. You can see fireman. This fire engine. When there is a fire in our neighborhood, we call up the fire station. कहाँ पे फोन करते हैं हम? Fire station. Then the fire engine reaches the place and the firemen use their water hose to put out the fire. So immediately fire engine comes there at the place of fire and firemen जो काम करते हैं firemen वो use their water hoses means बड़ी चौड़ी जो पाइप होती है that they use to put out the fire. उससे क्या करते हैं? Fire बुझाते हैं. Okay, so these are the neighborhood places around us. A neighborhood can also have different places of worship. प्रेयर करने के लिए, प्रार्थना करने के लिए different places are also there in our neighborhood. People from the neighborhood go to pray and worship. You can see church, temple, gurdwara, mosque. Okay. Christian goes to church to pray. Then Hindu goes to temple. Sikh people goes to Gurudwara and Muslim people go to mosque to worship the God. We must keep our neighborhood clean. We have to keep our neighborhood clean. we must help our neighbors. Neighbors are the people staying near to our house. We should help to them. We must not fight with them. We must not fight to them. We should be polite to them. We must keep our neighborhood green by planting more trees. We have to save our nature and make our surrounding green. How to make? By planting more tree and take care of trees. That's it for today. We will continue our lesson in next video. Till to that, bye bye. Thank you.